want to check your backpacks, because I had yeast in my backpack.
Yeah.
Alright.
How you doing, Ryan? Are you down there?
Oh, I'm on my way.
You should bank before you cover.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I go to the truck shop.
Oh, nice. Like,
You know that last time when two TRN guys tried to rob us, yeah?
Yes.
What
Yeah,
happened?
was it you or Glorious who shot them?
It's me. Oh.
You didn't have cash on you, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Actually, I think. I was covering the run, I think. But yeah, these two TRM pulled up in a taxi. They were going to try and rob, I think, Tony. And then it was like, they just hit on him, and I just pulled up behind him in the SUV and just got out and sprayed them both down. And it was like, what the fuck, where'd you come from?
It's such a
Fucking RDM.
I know TRN are a bunch of fucking imbeciles. They don't pay attention to like if it's a gang or not. They just don't give a fuck.
just go with the flow.
Pretty much. I was in the gang for like 3 days.
Really?
And then they like kicked me out for some stupid reason. I don't think I was like playing with them for like.
Oh shit.
You got kicked out of TRM, that's quite bad.
Oh, that's bad, man. That's like...
I was always working. Oh shit.
That's like getting kicked out of a gay bar because you're too gay. So...
I don't know. I think those are cops at whatever that fucking place
The
is.
thing is, TRN are the peacemakers, if you remember those guys.
Yep.
The peacemakers were right?
Oh shit, those are cops.
Oh shit, we initiated.
Yeah, we're in a shadow on AFC.
Is it server 1?
Wait, what?
Server 2, dude.
Server 2?
Yes.
Dimitri needs some help, mate.
Did you just say we're initiated with the police?
Yeah, needs some help.
Yes.
Where?
At Moonshine Processing.
So they're at Moonshine Processing?
No, at the Moonshine Trader. Like, Bruce Trader.
I'll be there in a minute. How many cops are there?
Oh, they come behind me. Like, who's covering?
Fuck, I can't do anything. I don't have tags.
Two
God
cops
damn it.
inside.
Did you get tased?
Yes, behind me.
Nice.
Who was covering?
Gunlock,
Oh, shit,
Gunlock.
guys.
One blueberry inside the trader. You'd be able to wallbang him, he's next to the trader. Man. Oh, don't worry, he's laying down, you better get him. He's Tom Morris.
Let's get this fuck.
He's on my body now. Communication deceased.
Oh shit, was another one. I hear another SUV.
Could you explain the situation?
Mock them.
Dude, blueberries don't give a fuck. They don't even give you time to talk. They just fucking tase you.
I think there's another cop nearby here, het SUV.
Why are you driving
Like,
a
turn off your lights, whoever's coming up here. I'm gonna try to snipe him. Oh, fuck, I don't have tags. God damn. There's 14 cops online.
Let's go and kill them.
14 cops, 1 medic.
Don't drive so long out the top so they can see you.
How
Stop.
many are there?
Is there still a cop inside?
Yes.
One cop inside, just come kill him. You've got taser.
Yeah, the thing is, one taser bullet equals a lot of bullets from AK-20.
Oh, fuck me.
How? There's two of you. Why did you not push together?
Tasers are fucking OP, man. Jesus.
Do you have any bounty hunters?
Guys, it's on here, on boxes. Come on here. Just slow.
Just go
slow.
in together.
Oh, ball by them. He said boxes.
No, box.
Hello, my friend. What is the problem? You are out. You are surrendered.
He surrendered. He surrendered.
You can't enter. You can enter, buddy.
He surrendered.
That is very good, my friend.
Wait, I'm restraining this now, yeah?
Fuck, I can't restrain him. I forgot. I'm not advanced rebel.
Oh my god, you have a
I don't have
lockpicks for
cuffs.
me? You have lockpicks on you?
Are you joking me?
Wow!
Fuck's sake.
Restrain us so I can restrain him and we can get out.
I don't have
Sender.
Yeah.
What the fuck? My car exploded?
Need to hurry.
Police incoming.
What?
Police, buddy, police. I see sirens. From police.
Just tell him to restrain us. If he shoots you, it's
Yes,
OP.
yes. Tell him to unrestrain us now, because otherwise
Yeah.
we're three of us
Right,
keep.
I've got a gun, but I don't have any ammo.
Alright, my friend. I'm going to give you one option. You will unrestrain my friend. You will unrestrain my friends, or we kill you and your whole family. Now come over here and unrestrain these 2 men.
I'm unrestraining, mate.
Put your weapon on the floor, my friend. Do not do anything stupid.
Is the truck approaching you?
Alright, come over here. Come over here and unrestrain these 2 men. Take these cuffs off. And we will let you see your family for 1 more day. Just unrestrain him or I kill you. You have 5 seconds to do it.
Are you gonna count?
5, 4, 3. Thank you. Come over here.
Buddy,
Rusty tough, you pig. Which one?
Go over here.
come on here, buddy.
Careful, careful. It might be police in that house.
1 kilometer away from you guys.
Hey, could you help me?
Oh my god!
Shots.
From the
he-
house.
He's in the house, He jumped down. Kill him fast, He jumped, kill him.
Enter. On the room, buddy.
He's coming to a trader.
Yeah.
Spray him down.
He
He's running to us again. He's on.
going down. He on here, buddy. Come on.
He's there, you see him. Behind. Just.
There's also a cop in the mountains.
He can shoot you in the car, man. He can shoot you with a taser in the car. Guys, could you please kill?
Where the hell is he?
Yeah.
He
He's,
entered the
he's like on the west side of the booze trader.
There's also a cop in the mountains, don't know where. Got shot.
Oh my god, nice guys.
Coming back.
Alright, Cardi, you have lockpicks on you?
I'll get some lockpicks. No, I can't. Yeah,
I
we'll
killed
go.
the pigs.
Go take lockpicks.
I'll
to
go
unrestrain everybody.
to Kavala, store my truck, and get out SUV and get lockpicks.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, did you already leave me here? Cause I'm here by myself.
Yeah, me too.
I'm coming, guys. Don't worry.
Please, my truck is filled with a fucking million, guys.
Are you guys over here with me? Cause I'm scared.
We're coming. Just wait a
Don't
sec.
be scared.
Okay, he's...
Oh my god, come on here, buddy, come on here. One policies give escape and you have a lockpicks on here.
I'm going to buy lockpicks and take out SUV and then I will go back.
Alright,
Is there anyone which can give blood?
come on to me.
I can unrestrain
There are
this
still two
little
officers
blueberry.
in the mountains. There's still 2 officers in the mountains. Lemon and the blueberry. They're moving into the trader now.
Where?
Wait a sec.
I'll mark it.
I've got a snap gun.
2 guys on that mountain. I'll turn
Uh,
slide.
Like seriously, I'm dying in 30 seconds. Can anyone give blood?
If you can give, I can.
I'd give you blood, but I can't. I don't know.
Who is shooting?
Yeah, I'm like south, between the 2 biggest buildings. If one cover and one...
2 guys.
They come near me, they're dead. I better reload.
Dantistas, you have the perk.
What then?
Blood transfusion.
I need to medkits, guys.
I have in my backpack if you can take it.
I can't remove my...
Comes.
House! Oh,
One's upstairs. On the house, on the balcony.
I see a cop on the hill, guys.
Yeah, one in the house, on the balcony.
On the
That's it.
barracks.
Mark it!
In the barracks, 2nd floor.
Yeah. Fuck, I'm gonna die.
Are they both over there? Or just one?
1-1. Lemon.
One on the hill.
Still 3 cops left.
2? Where is he? Fuck, guys, we need backup. I think there's another cop.
3 cops near the trader down.
Shoot through the wall, you can finish him. He's low, he's lying down.
My dogs are going fucking crazy.
He's to the right, you see him. Through the wall.
Be quiet, be
A
quiet.
little to the left.
right now. Nice, Cardi, nice, Cardi.
Yo, there's a fucking 4-wheeler over by me.
Fucking dogs. Well,
Like, I'm
Who's the
scared.
dog?
My dogs are going fucking crazy. I'm scared to death. Dude, he's like shooting at the wall.
well, yeah, I'm dead, so...
What the fuck are we doing?